Welcome to the tutorial on how to add a vehicle for containers into the fleet on the Intel Cargo platform. Start by clicking on the fleets in the menu on the left hand side. We recommend that you enter the trailer before the truck. To enter a new trailer, click on the Add button on the right above the list of trailers. All the data on the first page are required. You have to choose Container Chassis for the upgrade. After entering all the data, click Next to go to the second page. You can add different container types. All these data are required. At the bottom, you can choose one or many of the listed properties. When you're done, click on the Save button and the trailer is entered and can be seen on the trailers list. Now you can enter the truck. Click on the Add button on the right above the list of trucks. Truck type, registration number, and upgrade are required. You have to choose truck with chassis link for the type and container chassis for the upgrade. You can also choose the default trailer and driver, but they can be changed on a particular transport. After entering all data, click Next to go to the second page. The loading space properties are the same as those for the trailers. When you're done, click on the Save button and the truck is added into the fleet and can be seen on the trucks list.